Welcome to Red8 Device Lifecycle Management. At Red8, we're revolutionizing how businesses leverage technology. Here's a glimpse into the life of an order at Red8. Inventory is carefully selected to meet the requirements of each order. Images and data are uploaded to our secure systems, customized based on employee roles. In the order fulfillment area, serial numbers are meticulously captured to ensure precision and traceability. From there, the items move to the shipping area, where they are carefully packaged and sent out in individual boxes via FedEx and UPS, arriving directly at employees' doors. When items are returned, they undergo a thorough grading process in our returns area, evaluating their potential for reuse, repair, or proper e-waste disposal. At Red8, every step is designed to combine efficiency, innovation, and sustainability, ensuring we deliver excellence to your business and its people. Red8, empowering your tomorrow today.